Rims to Roof Detailing's an actual business name.
Yep.
I do car detailing, vehicles, trucks, motorbikes, caravans. Also do spray painting on vehicles,
Yep.
boats, industrial painting for truck parts.
You don't do the rust repairs,
No.
that gets outsourced and then you finish it from
Yes,
there?
I do, yes, that's correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how long does it take you to do like a normal standard car to paint it from start to finish?
A closed door respray anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks.
Yep.
Up to this WB here, I've quoted the guy up to 6 months.
And especially when it's a bit more detailed, it takes a bit longer, doesn't it?
Yes, it does, yes.
What kind of cars do you like doing within your business? Or things you like doing in your business, actually?
Mainly spray painting.
Yep.
I enjoy spray painting. I like the finished product.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to go from a piece of rubbish
Yep.
up to a nice finish
Nice.
and the face of the clients when they do the finished job.
Perfect. Okay. So if someone wants to get in touch with you so they can get some work done, where will they find you?
Facebook.
Yep.
Or my phone number 0419 328 437. Thank you.